Aloha, Howzit, GrassHopper, grüß Gott, 안녕하세요. Well, GrassHopper's time has come. I have reached an well-paved road, and gravel road doesn't look so good. I had my NX1 for more than 11 years, and auto white balance finally kicked the bucket about 3 years ago. So the last episode 23-153 was the last video that I recorded with my NX1 using the Anamorphic lens adapter. Then I saw a used NX1 at eBay. I purchased it, but the camera didn't even last not even 3 months, and it came with the lens. So that yeah, this is the most expensive lens I've ever purchased. GrassHopper would say, take a detour to a paved road like you did on the Death Valley National Park. However, this is the last straw that broke the camel's back. I've been following GH series for more than a decade. So to replace the NX1, and I bought this 24 Christmas, and I finally paid off last month. And the Panasonic has given me, in that 10 years of development, or whatever, USB-C, power charging, and recording to the standalone recorder. But there's only one USB-C outlet. I didn't buy a Panasonic power supply charger for $150 or more. What I did was I bought the eero router, a power supply. It has the same wattage, 27 watt output for less than 20 bucks. This is what I used. Best thing that I think that the G7 LED viewfinder. This is great. And then there's a built-in fan. Good stuff? Not. Just driving through Death Valley National Park, I had heat crashes twice. Heat crash twice, and once here at home before I went the journey to the west. I test drove during the summertime, and it was about 85-90 degrees outside, but it crashed. So it crashed 3 times, and I'll put over here the one that I recorded using my Note 3. Lens sharpness is a crap. I'm going to tell it like it is, okay? Lens sharpness is crap. But it has my favorite focal length, which is 28 millimeter. And yes, I did put the anamorphic adapter on it. So since the lens is not sharp, so I use the internally sharpness mode, which is I use about 2.5, about 50% increase in sharpness. Another thing that I bought this camera is the In-Body Image Stabilizer. It's a joke. My NX1 and my Note 3 had a better motion videos than the GH7 with the IBIS at a 7.5 stop. 7.5 stop. It shakes more. It shakes more than the cameras doesn't have any optical image stabilizer. And a bonus is auto white balance. And I had to program this button right here for the auto white balance lock. But it only works on the creative video mode. Any other settings, aperture priority, program, shutter speed, manual, custom, or AI, it doesn't work. I paid close to $2,700. $2,700 for this. And the Panasonic worked on for more than 10 years. 10 years. And this is what I got. Yeah, auto white balance is oscillating. It goes from magenta to corrected auto white balance back and forth. Just like the GoPro 9. Just like GoPro. This son of a gun is not even GoPro. They told me that too. They said, oh yeah, we're working on it. Yeah, you know what the Panasonic told me? You're the only one. You're the only one who complained. You're the only one who complained. I said, oh, thank you very much. This convection oven that I have, the Panasonic Dimension 4, I had it for over 30 years and still works. And Panasonic has worked on the GH7 for more than 10 years. And yes, this is what they gave me. Well, the outside is snowing because of the cold Arctic air. So, don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive. Drive safely. Always. If not, watch your six. We'll see you next time. Aloha.